The next question is, how do you decide whether to build things on your own or buy services such as from AWS? For more interview questions, please go to our website at bowsy8.com. Here's a good answer. One example was where we needed a highly scalable logging and monitoring system for our platform while we were using a homegrown solution, but it became evident that our system was struggling with scale and reliability gaps. I evaluated whether to continue investing in our in-house system or migrate to a managed service like AWS CloudWatch. My decision-making process involved the following steps. 1. I considered whether building a robust logging and monitoring system was a core strength or priority for the team. Logging was critical to operations, but not central to our business's unique value proposition. 2. I conducted a detailed cost analysis, estimating the time and resources required to bring our in-house solution up to par with the features and scalability of AWS CloudWatch. Factoring in the ongoing maintenance, monitoring, and scaling of the in-house solution versus the predictable costs of using AWS. Quantifying the value of the engineering time that could be spent on other features. 3. AWS CloudWatch had proven scalability, a global footprint, and SLAs that would be difficult to match with our resources, and implementing AWS CloudWatch would allow us to address the growing pains immediately, compared to the months required to scale and refactor our in-house system. 4. I weighed the risk of vendor lock-in. While moving to AWS would limit our ability to customize, the managed services reliability and scalability outweighed this concern at the time. However, I ensured that the migration design was modular enough to revisit alternatives if needed. 5. I gathered input from the engineering team, operations, and finance to validate my analysis. Collaborating ensured the team felt involved and aligned with the decision. Ultimately, we decided to migrate to AWS CloudWatch. It saved significant engineering time, improved the reliability of our monitoring, and allowed the team to focus on delivering customer-facing features. Why does this work? 1. Structured thought process. This answer provides a clear, step-by-step framework for making build versus buy decisions, showing a thoughtful and strategic approach. 2. Alignment with business goals. It ties the decision to business outcomes like time to market, cost efficiency, and focusing on core competencies. 3. Balances short and long-term thinking. The decision acknowledges both immediate needs, scalability, reliability, and long-term considerations, vendor lock-in, flexibility. 4. Demonstrates leadership and collaboration. By engaging stakeholders and the team in the decision-making process, the answer shows leadership and inclusivity. 5. Specific example with clear results. The example is concrete and the benefits, e.g., saving engineering time and improving reliability, are clearly stated. What you should avoid. 1. Oversimplifying the decision. Avoid framing it as a simple choice, such as AWS had more features, so we switched. This makes it seem like you didn't consider other factors. 2. Ignoring costs or trade-offs. Neglecting to discuss costs, financial, opportunity, or technical can make it seem like you didn't evaluate the impact thoroughly. 3. Disregarding vendor lock-in concerns. Ignoring the risks of relying on third-party services entirely can signal a lack of strategic foresight. 4. Portraying the team as unskilled. Avoid saying things like, "We couldn't build it ourselves," which might reflect poorly on your team's capabilities. 5. Lack of context or results. If you don't provide context for the decision or clear outcomes, e.g., time saved, improved reliability, the answer will lack impact. Thanks for watching. For more tech interview questions, please go to our website at bowsy8.com.